Hi guys, I'm Mr. Steve, and today we are talking about how to order numbers from smallest to largest. Now, this may seem simple to start with, however, it's very easy to get tripped up on this. So please pay attention and make sure you follow some basic rules. Here's our numbers to start with. So we have 5 numbers to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 37, 96, 21, 74, and 12. So, what's the first thing you need to look at? The first thing you need to look at is the very first digit. That is that's the number that is the digit in it that is that way the furthest. So if it's 100, you need to look at the 174. You need to look at the hundreds. In this case, each number only are all below 100. So we need to look at the tens column in each one. Which one has the smallest 10? So if I look at the tens column, I've got a 3 here, a 9 here, a 2 here, a 7 here, and a 1 here. Out of 3, 9, 2, 7, and 1, which is the smallest? That's right, it's 1. So let's cross out this one and put this first. 12 is the first number in my sequence. Next, we're only looking at the tens column, so I have 3, 9, 2, and 7 left. Now, out of all these, the smallest number out of 3, remember, I'm only looking at the tens column. The second column hasn't even come into account yet. So, 3, 9, 2, 7. 2 is actually the next one. So I'm going to put a comma here. I'm going to write my 21. Then I'm going to cross it. When doing things like this, it's very important to cross it. Because this way, the problem gets easier as you go. It doesn't get harder, okay? And you don't repeat numbers, okay? Next, I have 3, 9, and 7. Out of 3, 9, and 7, which is the smallest number? It's right, it's 3. So, 37, comma. Let's cross it out. Always cross the number. Next one is 9 and 7. Out of 9 and 7, which is smallest? It's exactly right. 74 is first, then it's 96. Make sure I cross them after I've done them so I know all those numbers are done and there's nothing left. Okay? And our next question. Now in this question, we have 24, 36, 31, 26, and 21. Now what makes this hard is that you can see last time we just used the tens column. And in the tens column we worked out which was bigger and which one's smaller. What we're going to do now is we first use the tens column. We have 24, we have 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay. I have 3 2s. I have a 3 or a 2 which is bigger. That's right, it's a 2. So it's one of these ones that go next. So let's look at the next number. I have a 1, a 6, and a 4. Out of 1, 6, and 4, which is bigger? Remember, I'm only dealing with these 3. In fact, I'm going to put a line above the 3 that I'm dealing with, just to make it easier for myself. Okay? 1, 4, and 6. 1, 6, and 4. I think 1 is the smallest. And I know that because look, I'll draw a number line. And fast forward. So I've got my number line, and I'm going to write I'm going to try to find my numbers on it. So 21. Okay. So my 1 is here. My 4 is here. My 6 is here. Okay. Now I can actually just see this. This is 1, 4, and 6. So I'm going to write this as an order. So my 1 is here, 21. Cross it out. Is it 24 or 26? I can see that it's 4. Make that 4 a little bit clearer. Okay, and then I cross it out. 26. And I cross it out. Now I have 36 and 31. Which is higher, 6 or 1? 1, fantastic. 31. 36. As you can see, now we have our numbers ranged from smallest 21, 24, 26, 31, and 36. Okay? And this is how I arrange our numbers from smallest to largest. I'm Mr. Seam, and this is Ordering Numbers.